Our next topic is find the coordinates of a point that divides a line in a given ratio. Now we have a line and a point cuts this line in some ratio. We have to find the coordinates of that point. Okay, consider a line between the points a is equals to a into x1 y1 means that a point has the coordinates x1 and y1, and b is equals to x2 y2. It means that b point has coordinates x2 and y2. Divided by the point p xp yp. It means that this point p cuts the line or divide this line, and its coordinates are xp yp in a ratio of m ratio n. So it means that this is m and this is n, so its ratio is m ratio n. Using similar triangles, you can derive these formulas. Xp is equals to n times x1 plus m times x2 over m plus n. Again, n times x1 plus m times x2 over m plus n, right? So this is the formula which we are using in this topic. The proof of this formula is not included in your work. If you are willing to solve the proof, then we will do in the next class, right? But here we use the formulas, so we have to just memorize these formulas. Understand or not?
Yes.
Okay. So these are the formulas for xp and yp. Basically, xp and yp are the coordinates of that point which cuts this line. So we have to find the coordinates. Okay. So it means that xp is basically n times x1. So here we have example 11. Find the coordinates of the point which divides 0, 6, 4, 10 in the ratio 3:1. So xp is equals to n times x1. X1 is this one, y1, x2 and y2, right? And this is m and this is n. Now n times m and n, right? N times x1, that is 1 times 0, plus m times x2, that is 3 times 12, over m plus n, that is 4. So again, n times y1, that is 1 multiplied by 6, plus m times y2, that is 3 multiplied by 10, over 3 plus 1. So here this number will become 0 due to multiplication with 0. Again, plus 12 over 3, 12 over 4. 12 over 4 is equals to simple 3, and 6 plus 30 over 4, that will becomes 36 over 4, and it will becomes 9. So this is your x coordinate for that point, this is your y coordinate for that point. So you can write in the coordinate form that the therefore the coordinates are 3 and 9, which cuts this line 0, 4 and 0, 6 and 4, 10. Any problem in this example?
No.
Okay, next one is again a line between points A minus 1, 3, B 5, 7 is divided by the point P such that AP and PB is equals to the ratio 1:4. Find the coordinates of that point P. So again, this is M, this is N. So n times x1, that is 4 times minus 1, plus m times x2, that is 1 times 5, over 1 4 plus 1, right? So it will becomes minus 4 plus 5, that is 1. 1 over 5 is your xp's coordinate. Again, n times y1, that is 4 multiplied by 3, and m times y2, that is 1 multiplied by 7. So it will become 12 plus 7, 19. 19 over 5 is your y coordinate. So if you are writing in the order pair form, so your point will becomes 1 over 5, comma 9 over 5, right? Do you have any problem in example 12?
No.
Okay. Here is the next exercise of this topic. So you have to do question number 1 part D, question number 3 and question number 2 of this exercise, right? And after that, here we have exam practice questions. After doing the exercise, we have to do exam practice questions, some one or two. After that, we have the summary of this chapter 8, right? And in summary, you can see that first is that the general form for the equation of the straight line is y is equals to mx plus c, which we have studied. Another form of the equation is ax plus b y plus c is equals to 0. This is also the another form of this straight line of equation of straight line. The formula for calculating the gradient is m is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and point slope form is y minus y1 is equals to m times x minus x1, which we have studied. This formula is used when we have a gradient or slope and also a point. We can find the equation of the line by using the slope and the point given. Okay, the next one is the two lines have the same gradient. It means that they are parallel. The second one is if the line has the gradient m and the perpendicular to it has the gradient minus 1 over m. How? Because when we multiply the two gradients, your answer will be equals to minus 1, right? In the next one, we can also say that if two lines are perpendicular, the product of their gradient is equals to minus 1. Next is the distance formula. We have to calculate the distance of the two points which are given on the coordinates axis. Here the first point has the coordinates x1 and y1. Your second point has the coordinate x2 and y2, and your distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square square root. And the last topic which we have studied is that the coordinate of the point xp and yp, that dividing the line joining the points x1 y1 x2 y2. So this is your point of starting point of the line, this is your end point of the line, and this point is basically the division point, which divides this line in some ratio. The ratio is can be written as m ratio n. It will the point will be on half, the point will be on that point, the point will be at that place. So it's not about the point. So if the ratio is given, we use the formula xp is equals to nx1 plus mx2 over m plus n, yp is equals to ny1 plus my2 over m plus n. This is the formula to find the ratio of the given point which divides the line which is generated by the starting point x1 y1 and the ending point x2 y2. Do you understand the summary we have all studied in this chapter?
Yes.
Okay, now you have to do these questions which I have just checked. So do these questions quickly, then we will start the next.
Okay.